Hello. It's a Sunday night. It's late. I have my hat on, and all of a sudden I decided to try this. I've been meaning to try this for the kids to see me do it. It's very spicy Korean ramen called bulldog. Dak is chicken. This is usually beef, bull, so I don't know what that is all about. But anyways,
beef chicken.
It's supposed to be super hot, stir-fry ramen. So, spicy chicken.
2x spicy.
Yes. So this is sitting here for 4 minutes. This is the noodles. So while that's sitting there, I'll tell you the process. Boil the water, fill it up, open the package, take out these two things. This is the hot sauce package. This is the flake, which is like more sesame seeds and things to add to it. So after this sits for a few minutes, you punch these little holes out right here that they build into the container with your chopsticks. And then you drain out all the water. And then you just add the sauce and the flake. And then you're ready to eat it. And this is supposed to be super hot. I've never had this before, but I've looked at it on the shelves for years. So we're gonna try it. All right, so it's been 4 minutes. So I'm gonna poke these little triangles out right here that are built into the container. And I'm gonna be able to strain out the water. I'll just do that real quick into the sink. So smart. Because not every ramen you want to have all that water in there. Okay. Then I'm going to open this container up and we're going to add the spices. Bulldog sauce. This should open up a little bit easier. I'll get the scissors here. Ooh, red. Oh, it's so red. Oh. Capsaicin. It says it right on the package, which is the hot part.
Don't rub your eyes.
And don't rub your eyes. And the flake. There's like a little bit of sesame, some nori, seaweed. All right. Here we go. My little handy dandy chopsticks. Mix this all up. Oh, that's nice. These are the good Asian noodles. Like if you ever buy ramen or start to experiment with noodles, the Korean noodle is really nice and springy. It's not like your top ramen or your flat cup noodle, which I like actually. Okay, here we go. Let's try this out. Oh, a little afraid. A little afraid. I'm wearing my hat. Okay. Sunday night's hat wearing day when you're on a video. Incognito. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. That, ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa.
Is it spicy?
Yes.
Let me see. Let me see your face.
Yes. On the first bite.
I can smell it from here.
Ooh. Got a little lemon water here.
Yeah, that's going to make it worse.
I'm going to try a second bite. Mmm. 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 It tastes really good going in. It's just spicy afterwards. Ooh. But look, here's the picture of the chicken right here with holding the bomb. This chicken character is called Hochi. He's holding a bomb.
Hochi.
Yeah. Hochi. Okay, that's it.
So do you recommend it?
Ooh. Only if you can handle hot stuff.
How much does it cost?
I think this was $4
Where do you get it?
at the Oriental Market.
Okay. Your local Asian store.
Oh.
They actually call it the Oriental Market. We're not just,
It's pretty tasty stuff. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh.
So, as advertised. No, not disappointed.
I thought it was fake and going to be like not hot.
Yeah.
But it's hot.
But it's hot.
My whole mouth.
You eat hot stuff. Like sriracha, like on
can't.
everything.
I
Like,
can't finish this.
yeah. Like you put sriracha on everything.
This is 10 times hotter than sriracha.
Yeah.
Like,
And it only says 2 times.
I'm actually starting to sweat.
Whoa.
And my mouth is like,
I've never seen you sweat before.
yeah, like my body.
Like from eating, I mean.
Yeah, my body right here. And my mouth is on fire. My head's getting hot underneath this hat. I'm not going to touch my eyes.
But you're going to keep on eating it.
No. I'm not.
So 2 bites.
It's too hot. Look, I can't even finish it. Ooh. All right.
Alrighty.
Thank you for listening. Whew.